Good evening, my fellow 842ians. And I say my fellow 842ians, plural, because we are adding someone to our ranks. But I'll let that be a surprise for all the people viewing this channel. I am sitting in my car in the rain, which I'm sure you can hear. It's a good rain, and there's something about sitting in a car while it's raining that I rather enjoy. So I sit here with my 4-piece chicken nuggets and barbecue sauce, all white meat, just like Hitler would have it. And I don't have much else to say except that I'm the only one posting shit right now. And there's 2 people joining our fold. We're going to go from 2 to 4. And then I won't be able to address sister without saying, sister, blah blah blah. I'll have to say that, you see, because there'll be other people in the circle. The circle of 842. Pretty exciting. I look forward to it.